in the cut, getting high with it, emo hoes. We in wrong way, you bitches in dark shadows. Not so bad, not so bad.
Gio, are you ready for the
Yeah.
girls?
I know, Gio. At least take it up me and the girls. This might be the peak.
I have graham crackers.
Right here. Look at this man. Look at this man. Just like all laughing.
30 minutes from now, somebody's gonna be crying because they got burned, and they're gonna be like really crying like a baby. I don't want to freaking hear it.
All right, so the men are talking about throwing shit into the fire. Now they're done. How y'all feel? How y'all feel, man?
Cathartic.
Accomplished.
Gio?
I'm the paper provider.
Paper
pusher.
You're the paper pusher. You're the plug.
For the woman, we feel zen. We feel
Now we
centered.
come over to the women part, but I have to zoom out a little so we can actually see.
We feel centered.
Now to the women, but not Lauren because we don't want her on camera, so we're blocking her. But now to the women,
We feel
How do you
centered.
feel?
we've been having deep conversations about like
We
the purpose
feel
of life, the
centered.
purpose of our femininity, the purpose of our womanhood, the purpose of raising daughters.
I know, strong woman.
Meanwhile,
Strong
the men are
woman.
throwing paper.
Because we already know the purpose of it already. So we don't need to have
Listen, the purpose of men is to provide, so they throw fire, paper in the fire, to provide fire for us.
We know what that is.
Say it again. Say it again.
Yeah. Say it again. Say it again.
Wait, it only came out in the moment. I don't know how to
Michelle, say
What did
it.
I say? I don't know how to repeat
They
myself.
throw something to that, but the purpose of the fire.
I forgot, what did she say?
I said, men throw paper into the fire, but we are the fire.
We are
We
the
women
fire.
are the fire. We are the fire.
I think you said the purpose of